Press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss any of my video.
So this is the look I would be creating for you, and you can see I have created purple eyes and a hint of a golden eyeliner on my eyes, and it is giving me a really nice glam look. And if you want to go for a wedding and you are bored of that simple smoky eyes, so you can opt this look and you will just rock the party. And for that matter, if you are going for your Valentines, so yes, this is the look you can create. And as we all know, Valentine is just around the corner, so I created this look, and you can opt for this headband and look so pretty. So yes, if you want to know how I have created this look, so keep on watching. Hey my fam, how are you? And hello for all of you who are new for my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also hit that bell icon so that you can get all notified whenever I upload a new video. So for my primer, I am using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Now for my color correction, I am using this orange color from Kiss Beauty. Now for baking, I am using this ADS banana powder, and I would be baking my under eye and around my mouth. And now for filling my eyebrows, I am using this Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. It is in brown and ruffle. And now I will be brushing off the excess baking from my face. So my color correction is completed, and now moving ahead with the base. And for my base, I'm going to use this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. I just love this foundation, guys. So I'm in the shade Warm Sand, and this is like a blessing for dry skin. So yes. And now with the help of a flat kabuki brush, I just love this brush because it gives me a flawless finish. So yes, now with a flat kabuki brush, I would blend my foundation. So you see how flawless it has given me a finish. And now I would be using this Lakme Flawless Matte Complexion Compact, and I'm in the shade Apricot Matte, and I would be just setting my base. So now for my eyes, I'm using this Savannah Colors eyeshadow palette, and I would be using this brown color right here. So this is a really nice light warm brown sort of a shade, and with the help of a blending brush, I would be using this shade on my crease. And now I'm using this Miss Rose eyeshadow palette, and it has really nice matte colors over here. You can see it has really nice beautiful matte colors. So I would be using this mauve color right here, this one. And now with the same blending brush, I would be using this color right here. This is a really nice matte black color, and I would not be using any sort of a kohl for it because it is so pigmented. You see how pigmented it is? And now for lining my eyes, I'm using this Lakme Insta liner, and this is a great liner, and I'm using this for almost all my looks and in my everyday use also, so I just love this liner. So as you can see, I have not gone like really crazy on my liner. I want my liner thin and sleek. Now for my mascara, I'm using this Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. This is a really affordable mascara, guys. If you want a voluminous look, a length in your lashes, so this is the mascara you need to buy, and it is really great. It was for only rupees 300 or below 300, and I bought this from Nykaa, and this is amazing. Now for adding that extra glam thing on my eyes, on my makeup, I'm using this Hilary Rhoda glitter eyeliner. This is in the shade golden, and this is a beautiful eyeliner. I got this for rupees 185 or 195, something like that, but this is a really great eyeliner, guys. If you want that extra glam effect on your makeup, then you should have this. So you see how beautiful this liner is looking. It has given me a nice glam effect on my eyes. And now I would be applying some highlighter on my eyes. Not my eyes, on my brow bone. So I would be using the Savannah Colors palette, and I would be using this shade right here, and it is a really nice highlighter kind of a shade. Now for my bronzer, I'm using the ADS Bahama Mama, and this is a really nice color. I would be using this shade right here. So I would be bronzing my face a little bit. And I would be also using some of the bronzer on my jawline. Now for my blush, I'm using this Faces Glam On blush. I'm in the shade Hot Pink, and it is a really nice blush. It has reflexes in it, but it is like hell pigmented, so you have to be really careful. Now for my lipstick, I'm using this Lotus Herbals lip color, which is in shade English Rose, and this is a really nice hot pink sort of a shade, and it would really go well with my movie eyes, my purple eyes. So yes. Now for highlighting, I'm again using the Savannah Colors, and I would be using the shade which I have used earlier, this one. This is really nice shade, and I just love it. Now for setting up my makeup, I'm using this Mass Makeup Fixer, and it has aloe vera in it, it has vitamin E in it. So I would be going and using it. And with the help of a beauty sponge, I would be blending all my makeup in. So I hope you loved this video, and this was a really nice, easy and beautiful mauve, purple eyes and pink lips look for all of you guys, and this was easy. I know you would try this, and please share your comments in the comment section below that how was it and how was your party, how was your Valentine's, everything guys. So yes, this was the look, and I will be winding up my video over here. Bye bye, see ya.